Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is how to remove down arrow on Gboard. So guys, if you want to remove the down arrow, as you can see at my keyboard, you could just simply go ahead and go to the settings into your device. And now from here, you could use the search bar or the search icon from here. And after that, just simply search for navigation type. And now from here, guys, as you can see, it will be inside the display and navigation bar. And after that, if we scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see here, show button to hide keyboard. You just simply turn that off. And after that, just simply go ahead and go to your keyboard to check. And as you can see, it will now be removed. There you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.